Hello everyone, I'm Prachimani. Welcome you all in this session. So today we are going to discuss about farewell speech part 1. In the last speech we studied how to write down welcome speech. But in case of any kind of speech, your personal involvement is very important. So through this session you will come to know how farewell speech is written and what kind of care we have to take while developing this sort of speech. Now let us try to understand the concept of farewell. Farewell, in short, it means to say goodbye. Also, it means to see you soon. Also, it is a kind of expressing good wishes on parting incident and make a departure with a grand celebration or with a grand ceremony. So it is a kind of valedictory program. So as you know, life is full of with goodbyes, but such type of farewell is different from that one. So there are total two kinds of speeches. So first of all, farewell by an employee, and second one, farewell for a colleague or a student. So this farewell may be of variety of reasons. Maybe employee is going to retire or employee is leaving due to the transfer or completion of project period, or any student or candidate is graduating or changing of job. So on that conditions, farewell speech can be written. Now simple ideas I would like to talk about it. When we are writing farewell speech, always keep in your mind this is a very emotional moment. So this is a sensitive moment, hence the language and vocabulary we have to select accordingly. It is a kind of sharing of good things and humored anecdote related to the past memories. So it is full of with the past memories, hence sometimes we feel here awkward to collect vast eloquence. Also, in this farewell speech, you have to share your feelings and you have to acknowledge the appreciation and gratitude publicly. So, when we are writing farewell speech, it should be always positive in tone. Now, let us we will discuss about some of the tips related to first type of farewell, that is farewell given by an employee who is going to retire, who is going to leave the organization. So when such type of farewell we have to write down, the very important thing is here you have to be very much brief about your speech. Means sometimes you can go for writing so many details, but you have to start your speech with brief summary of your involvement. How many years you involved in that service, you have to mention it. Then how you enjoy your job, so you have to mention it very carefully. Also, you have to share very smart memories. It may be good, it may be bad, but you have to take it very much positively and tell to the others. You have to share your feelings. Also, you have to send your appreciation to the people, whoever you have little bit contact with them. And you have to say gratitude. You have to send your gratitude for tremendous support from their side. So here is a sample speech given for your purpose. So here speech is provided into the two colors. The first color is selected here as a blue color that tells you that you are not supposed to disturb this particular format, and black color indicates you can do the necessary changes in the wordings in the sentences which I am going to use it here. So read it very carefully. So you can start your speech as I told you in the earlier also video. You can start your speech with the greetings. So hello everyone. Mind, this speech is written by an employee who is going to leave the organization. So hello everyone. First of all, I would like to thank the organizer for giving me opportunity to express me at the end of my service. I got many of such opportunities, but today I am little bit confused, nervous and happy, experiencing mixed feelings. Hence, it is very difficult what to say, how to start, and so on. I completed 25 years of my service in this organization. I joined here as a lecturer. At the time, the Department of Science was not existing. It can be said that the birth of this department is witnessed by me. Henceforth, I got involved in number of activities. The days passed, containing good experiences. I met to different people in this journey, but every day was full of with learning, joy, and knowledgeable. In the busy schedule, I never realized how I got connected with this environment, people, and work. This is only because of the work environment. When I joined my duty, I was a fresher. This institute molded me how to get adjusted with the circumstances. Here only I realized so many things such as how to operate computer, introduction of technical field, the practical application of listening, speaking, reading and writing make me more alert. Day by day I became responsible and serious about my work. I have witnessed up and downs, but this institute tells me that honest efforts are always rewarded and the reward is trust, satisfaction and happiness, not money. At the end, I would like to say thanks who helped me in my difficult time and shared joy me. I am really full of with gratitude regarding institute, staff, mentors whose contribution is really a lot. Can't be counted in words. I would like to suggest the youngsters, the freshers to continue with your current job and be honest always. You will get reward of trust, satisfaction and happiness which is much larger than money or packages. So until the next time we gather, my dear friends, I wish you all to progress in your life and bid farewell to you now. So, I would like to suggest you when you are writing this sort of speech, always mind you should have 100% involvement in the incident, in the topic, and then only you can develop such type of the speeches. So you have to begin with a very good wordings that will tell you your natural condition and then you can develop your speeches. At the end, in this speech, you have to say thanks to everyone who have helped you throughout your service, throughout your career, and you have to again wish them, you have to give them best luck for their future also, and then you can bid farewell to them. So at the end, I would like to remember some of the points. So first of all, while writing any kind of speech, you should have 100% involvement in the topic. Then have empathy, means you have to put yourself in the shoes of others. You have to consider that you have done your service of 25 or 30 years and now you are at the end of your day and how you are feeling. So accordingly you have to develop this speech. Then you have to chalk down the main points and then you have to start writing. So these are the some of the inputs for writing speech. So thank you once again.